Good morning. It's Paul. January 28th, 2019. Getting towards the end of the month already. So what is going on in the Las Vegas market here? Stretch my screen out a little bit here. And new listings. Let's see what we've got here. We haven't done anything since Friday, so we'll go back 3 days. First, we'll go 1 day at a time. Days on market. Okay, as of today, 1957. House, wow. 6 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2,245 square feet. New listing. That's interesting. Oh, nice pool. There we go. No garage. Looks like the garage has been converted to living area. Looks like a house I went into a long time ago that was full of stuff. Yeah, I think it is, to tell you the truth. Looks like somebody cleaned it up and now they're reselling it. You couldn't even see through it before. Interesting. Anyway, we have 1957. Interesting. Single-story home. It's probably got a lot of history in there. The walls can talk. Okay, so that's at 275. And that is over in Spring Valley, I believe. Bonanza North Valley. Okay, a little bit north of that. Okay, that's cool. Anyway, and then the highest price, $829. We got here. Another pool. It's nice. Nice stone around it. Nice kitchen. It's pretty cool. Nice wine cellar there. Okay, and that little guy is Terrabello. Okay, way over in North Summerlin area. Okay, and that was built in 06. Then we have this little 2-bedroom, 2-bath, $115,000 condo in University. If that's a short sale, it's pretty cheap. Nope. Interesting. Near UNLV, okay. Can't see it right now though. And we all know where UNLV is, but I'll just throw it up on the screen anyway. Right there. Strip is right here, UNLV is right there. Oh, they're right there. And been on the market 1 day. So let's look at this. Oh wow. A lot of stuff happened on Sunday. Here's a $7 million house that came on the market. Let's see what $7 million will buy us. Okay. Nice pool. Very modern. A bottle of Dawn, it looks like there. Theater room. Pretty nice. 2007. where is this? Okay, clear over in Summerlin again. Alright. 7 million. Okay, then we have on Saturday, 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo, 110,000. Okay. A nice clean complex. Old tile counters, fireplace, washer and dryer, pretty nice. This little guy is Summerlin, Buffalo. Okay, pretty nice. A lot of stuff happened on Saturday. Wow, look at all this. Okay, the most expensive over on McDonald Ranch. $9 million, 11,569 square feet, 6 bedrooms, pool, spa. Interesting. Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful sky view. Nice drone shot. Strip view. Indoor outdoor living. Pretty darn nice. $8 million, huh? $9 million. Okay, well, let's see what else we got here. Last couple of days, we have closed 25th. One reported today at 225. The 25th. Wow. A lot of them closed last week. Trying to catch up. So 139 closed escrow. Let's find out what the price points were. Okay. A lot of 200s, man. Look at all those 200s. Anything under 3 is basically selling right away. Okay, so highest price 1.135. That's this little guy right here. Pool on the golf course. Pretty nice. Yep. And that is, where did it go? There it is. Okay, right below McDonald Highlands there, right in the Highlands. Okay, well, that makes sense. Alright. Well, 9 minutes. Okay, well, that's it for today. We do have all these that have gone into contract. It's 325. They're in contract right now. That's it for today. Talk to you later. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so we'll probably get together on Wednesday.